So how can you add Reels on Instagram story in the full screen format? We are using iPad for this tutorial. If you are interested in this, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Essentially, open up Instagram and locate the reel which you want to publish to your story. What you're going to see then is the ability to click on the share option. Now, when you click on share, you have a bunch of people which pop up, which you can send the reel to. But one of the options should also be the ability to post it on your story. Now, when you click there, you can see that it's gonna appear on the story creation page, but you can actually tap on it a few times to adjust the sizing, right? So a lot of people just share it like that, where you can clearly see that it's a reel posted on the story, but you can also just tap it a few times and it will make it appear full screen. So if this is that you are going for, then you just be aware that you can actually change the size of the actual reel and how it appears on your story. So that's a cool addition to it. Keep in mind that you can still download the reel to your gallery and then post it as a separate video if you really wanted to. For that, you would just need to click on share and copy the link of the reel and use a Safari and look up a website for a Reels video downloader where you can paste that link and then download the actual video to your gallery and you can then post it. So that's another possibility as well, but let me know below in the comments if it did work for you. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll catch you later.